Hi, this is Sherman Crancer, Senior Partner Development Manager for Microsoft. And in studio we have Tim Tetrick, Partner Technical Strategist for Microsoft. So Tim, help me understand this Azure hybrid benefit for Microsoft partners.
Yeah, so Azure Hybrid Benefit, a great benefit. It's a benefit of SA, or software assurance, for both Windows Server and now just recently announced SQL Server as well. So here's how it works. For Windows Server, if you have a customer with Windows Server on-prem with software assurance today, they can essentially spin up VMs in Azure at a reduced rate, up to 40–50% off, essentially not making them repay for the Windows licensing component for that VM in Azure. So great benefit there. And we just announced the same Azure Hybrid benefit for SQL Server. For SQL Server on-prem with SA, I can convert that up to Azure SQL managed instance, and again, be able to save tremendous amount of money on that migration to Azure. So again, check it out.
All right. Hey, thanks so much for coming in and helping us understand, the Azure hybrid benefit use. All right. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.